internet, what a pain in the...
Hey, neighbor!
Try T-Mobile, it sets up so fast.
It's like Wi-Fi that runs on 5G.
Home internet from T-Mobile?
Wait till you see.
Tell me more, tell me more.
Emergency Alert System. This message was requested by the United States government. A strange unidentified thing was discovered in Japan. This unidentified object may cause the fall of countries including China, Russia, India, South Korea and United Kingdom, and others.
Sonic the Hedgehog is speeding through McDonald's. You can snap up protein-packed milk and a toy from the...
Red alert. This is not a drill. Many countries have fallen. United States is next.